Hello, the topic of my project was crop disease detection and pesticide spraying. In this project, I used the technology of Python programming. Actually, this project is for the agricultural fields. The farmer can use this to detect the crop diseases by just uploading the pictures of the particular crop on the system. And this system will show the result, and the result is a disease name and pesticides name. Then after that, the farmer can easily search the pesticides. One more application of this project is user can connect this through to their smartphones via Bluetooth. Coming to the components of this project, here we are using Raspberry Pi 3B module, relay switch and motor pump. Raspberry Pi module consists of 40 pins which is connected to the relay switch. Here it is on and off, and in this motor we are using we are pouring pesticides. From here it is coming out, and we are using one camera. Otherwise we can upload them by system software only, and the softwares we are using is advanced IP scanner and VCN viewer. By double clicking on the advanced IP scanner, we need to scan our IP addresses. By clicking on the IP address, we need to scan it. Now it will start scanning. Scanning is completing. We need to scan this PI address 192, or otherwise we need to notate this IP address 192.68. Now scanning is completed. By opening VCN connector, we need to enter the IP address. It is connected. The password is okay. Here the leaf disease detection, we need to double tap on it. Now it will show the softwares. Here I have uploaded two leaves, that is one is tomato and other is corn. Let us test the disease by tomato leaf. On tomato leaf, upload the image. Let us take any one of the leaf. Let us take target first one, tomatical. These are the images which are affected by diseases. In this we can select any one. So this was the image, this was the leaf which is affected by some diseases. Now let us test it. Analyze. So here you can see leaf name and the pesticides required. Armophos is the pesticides we need to require. So here you can see the leaf is tomato. It is affected by the Armophos diseases. We need to pesticides Armophos. Thank you.